Hi everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're enjoying the sun as much as I am. Today I would like to show you the latest diamond painting that I've made. I think it's just absolutely adorable and super cute, and I'm really happy how it turned out. This diamond painting is called Kitten and Cookies, and it is designed by Maryline Cazenave. It is just a absolutely adorable, cute little kitty. It is a 33 by 33 centimeter canvas, and it has round drills, and it is a partial canvas. It has 22 colors and 2 ABs, and I absolutely loved and enjoyed doing this diamond painting. And of course, it came with a treasure quest card, and in the box it also had another very cute box that I'm currently using for my latest diamond painting. So in here are the drills that I'm using for that painting. I think it's so cute. I just love looking at this painting, and I love the ABs that you can see at the bottom of the cookie jar, and there are some on the top of the head and on the side of the milk glass. And of course it came with this treasure quest card, which is just amazing. So cute, and I love collecting these. My mom made these socks for me, which I thought would be really nice to wear them today, and then I spilled a bunch of coffee on my coffee socks. So today I planned on finishing this diamond painting with a border of washi tape. So here I'm preparing to add the border of washi tape, and for this I have selected 3 washi tapes. Let me know in the comments which one you like best. So out of these 3 I had decided to go with the middle one, with the green vines. I really like the way it looks. However, it didn't turn out the way I had hoped, because I didn't realize it's completely see-through, and I didn't like the way it looks. You can see the letters through, so I decided to just cut off the border completely. So to keep you entertained while I cut this border, here's my cat Marcy.
Rhythm of distant tides. Let the absence of vocals create room for the guitar to tell its own serene story, simple, tranquil, and flowing like the ocean breeze. If you ever feel like pairing lyrics with that vibe, I'm here. If you ever feel like pairing lyrics with that vibe, I'm here. Ever feel like pairing lyrics with that vibe, I'm here.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments which cat diamond painting you guys think I should do next. I've already been thinking about this one. Or maybe this one is so cute with the ice cream. I love it. And this one is just so adorable as well. Or should I go with this cute, adorable puppy? Thank you guys so much. And as Kit Boga always says, know that you are valuable and that you matter. See you in the next one. Bye.